Want to look younger, feel stronger, and have the energy of someone 10 years junior without expensive supplements or spending hours in the gym? This isn't about trends or hacks. It's about science-backed, time-efficient movement that literally tells your cells to age in reverse. In this video, I'll show you the only 5 exercises you actually need to reverse your biological age. No fluff, no fancy machines. Just smart training, natural hormones, and real results. Let's unlock the fountain of youth from your own living room. What if I told you that your gym routine could actually be making you older? Yes, more reps, more age. Sounds crazy, right? But science agrees. Most busy professionals are unknowingly accelerating their biological aging. Not because they're lazy, but because they're doing the wrong exercises for longevity. If you're over 30 and want to reverse your biological age by 5, even 10 years, this is your wake-up call. Because these 5 powerful time-saving exercises, backed by science, aren't just for looking younger. They literally reprogram your cells, boost your hormones, and rebuild your youth from the inside out. Stay with me, because number 5, it's the closest thing to a natural anti-aging drug, and I'm saving a surprise tip for the end that almost no one talks about. So why is exercise the #1 anti-aging tool we're not using properly? According to a study published in Cell Metabolism 2017, just the right kind of exercise reverses age-related decline at the cellular level, restoring mitochondria function, your body's powerhouses. But not just any movement will do. We're talking smart, targeted, time-efficient movements that activate youth hormones, reduce inflammation, and enhance mobility. Here are the only 5 exercises you need to look younger, move better, and actually reverse your biological age. 1. Breath-powered movement, like dynamic breath work, plus stretching. Let's flip your nervous system switch. Most people are stuck in fight or flight, releasing cortisol, killing their collagen, and draining energy. Try this instead. Do 5 minutes of breath-synchronized movement. Slow body stretches with rhythmic nasal breathing. Think Tai Chi, Qigong, or breath-led mobility flows. Result? Lower cortisol, calmer mind, better skin, improved digestion. You age slower the moment you breathe slower. 2. Low impact zone 2. Cardio, forget HIIT marathons and beatdowns. Want youthful mitochondria and endless energy? Zone 2 cardio is the secret sauce. Walking briskly, cycling at a pace where you can still talk. 30-45 minutes, 3-5x per week. Why? It enhances metabolic flexibility, balances blood sugar, and reduces chronic inflammation, the real cause of aging. Bonus, it's joint-friendly and mood-boosting. Yes, walking is the new Botox. 3. Time under tension strength training, especially legs and glutes. Muscle is equal to longevity currency, and you're losing it every year after 30 unless you fight back. Use slow, controlled resistance, bands, bodyweight, dumbbells, and target large muscle groups, squats, lunges, deadlifts. More lean mass, more testosterone, more HGH, better posture, and higher resting metabolism, and yes, more confidence. 4. Isometric holds, the youth stability protocol. Want to reverse joint aging, improve balance, and prevent injury? Add isometric holds, think planks, wall sits, glute bridges, 30-60 seconds, 3 rounds. They fire up deep stabilizer muscles, stimulate your nervous system, and improve bone density, essential for aging bones. These silent strength moves are the secret to staying upright, mobile, and independent at 90. 5. Functional flow sequences, the longevity combo move. Imagine combining mobility, strength, and coordination into one beautiful movement. Welcome to functional flows, like animal movements, yoga flows, or calisthenics transitions. They challenge your brain, joints, and muscles in harmony. The result? Neuroplasticity, flexibility, and muscular youth. Your brain loves novelty, and so do your cells. Now let's be real. You don't have time for 90-minute workouts. You're juggling meetings, deadlines, families, and late-night emails. But this protocol, 30 minutes a day, 5 exercises, is designed for busy professionals like you. It doesn't just burn fat or build muscle, it literally signals your body, we are not aging today. So reverse your brain fog, reverse your fatigue, reverse your waistline, reverse your biological age. You don't need Botox, you need movement intelligence. And it starts with consistency, not perfection. But here's the bonus tip. Combine these exercises with positive self-talk. Neuroscientists have found that positive affirmations increases dopamine, enhances performance, and accelerates neuroplasticity. So next time you do that plank or breathwork flow, put on your favorite track on positivity. Your cells will literally start dancing. And guess what? I'm now offering reverse age coaching sessions for free for a limited time. Get a customized longevity protocol tailored to your body type, lifestyle, and biological age. DM me or check the link below to claim your spot before the price returns. Let's train smarter, breathe deeper, and reverse time together. If this video was useful, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs to age in reverse. New science-based anti-aging videos every week, only on Reverse Age Academy.